Google is adding new options on AAR, which is the auto-applied recommendations. What are your thoughts on this function, and which options will you use normally? We don't use the auto-applied recommendations because I want to see, or me or my team members would like to see what Google is applying. And some of the recommendations are not so good. Some of them are good, but a lot of them is not aligned to our goals. So you need to be careful as to what recommendations you would like to apply to your campaigns. You don't need to auto apply them. You can opt out. But let's go to the Google Support Center first and see what they talk about and how you manage your recommendations that you opt into apply automatically. So it will show you over here. Let me adjust the screen up a bit. That's better. Zoom in a bit more. Yeah. Opt-in, automatically apply recommendations. You sign into your accounts, and the page on the left, click recommendations, top right, auto apply, and then you can select which ones you want them to do. And then you save for each category. And then you can confirm who enrolled your account and went through your Google's change history. So you can see what has happened in the change history as well. And then again, it tells you how to do this. I'm going to go into the account in a minute, so we don't need to read everything. What else does it say? Once you've opted to automatically apply a recommendation, you'll be able to track which recommendations are enabled in the history tab of the recommendations page. I'll show you in a minute. You'll also be able to see how many times that recommendation has been applied in the past week, when it was last applied, and when you first opted in. And then you can show you how to disable the AAR. And I'll show you in a minute, and then there's the history. So there's not a lot you can do with regards to setting up, opting in, or opting out. Let's go into our account. Okay, so then in the middle column over here, you go recommendations. You'll get a long list of over here. All right. So now on the top right hand corner, I don't think you can see it. Okay, there you go. So over here, it says here, auto apply. So once you click on it, you will then see the list of all these recommendations which Google is giving you. So if you want to adjust your CPA bid or set a target bid, upgrade, or whatever you want to do, you just check them off and save. Then you have this section for keywords and targeting, ads and extensions. You can select all or individual ones, and every time you need to select save for each one of these sections. I'm not a huge fan of the auto-applied recommendations, but it's up to you. If you want to see what's been happening, you go into this the history tab, and you will see a long list. This is my test account. There's not much data in it, so it's nothing is showing up. But then you will see the recommendation status, categories, and when it happened, and whether you're opted in or not. And then you go back to your manage, and that's how we do it. So it's not a lot to do it. If you want to come out, click that X button, and that's it. Now you come back to your recommendations.